my intervention here today, as I said, is not to make any determination, any judgment on how it happened, but to reassure you that the process that is in place will come to justice. All right? But as far as I can intervene to deal with this, and what I have done today is to speak to the NHD, to say to them that there is a case to make about having some repairs done. Significant repairs, because I don't think you can, I think this needs to be demolished and rebuilt.
Absolutely.
So I have spoken to them and they have agreed that both through their staff welfare and through other resources that they will deal with this situation. The other thing is that I am personally touched by your story. When I called you and spoke to you on the phone, I was very impressed with how well you were able to articulate the situation, by your reasonableness. I was very touched as well by the hurt that you conveyed, as anyone would be losing their mother. And I was also again very touched that you still maintained a positive outlook. There are many persons who have suffered loss like yourself, and we see it all throughout the inner city communities where families have suffered loss and the family members don't have a chance to vent. They don't get a chance to talk to a figure like me or go through a process of catharsis where they confront the problem and then they reach a resolution and they put it behind them. They hold on to it and they are bent on revenge. And so you kill my friend, I am going to kill your friend, you kill my brother, and it starts that cycle all over.
And we're not here for that.
And I'm confident that, and so I thought that this was a positive for Jamaica, that we need to identify a positive figure, someone who has suffered loss, but who is looking to make better, rather than to make the situation worse.
Most definitely.
And I take note of what you said to me, that you have 3 dependents that are otherwise abled, that you have to take care of. And I've heard this story I've been asking about you and how you manage, and that I hear before you go to work, you have to go and take care of them and provide them with breakfast. And when you come home, you have to make sure that they have dinner, and that you are basically the sole breadwinner. And so I'm going to support you in that regard, especially in taking care of your family members through my Positive Jamaica Foundation. And I wouldn't mind you working with us on the positive side of things, to show Jamaicans that out of the depths of despair, right, there is hope, and we can still keep a positive outlook on life. So I'm going to commit to giving you a monthly stipend for the next year to take care of your 3 dependents.